Hi Jamaicans.com. I'm trying out something new tonight. You know, they have different masks. So, trying a different mask tonight. Still look, I want to keep it fresh as always. So, I'm going to do different things. Last week, or the last time I connected with you guys, I was actually enjoying myself at Conoco Falls. And tonight is no exception. You are going to enjoy the conversation. So hold on, this filter can't go away. So apparently it cannot go away. I have to touch my face. I can't get rid of it. Alright, as you come in, just tell me where you're connecting from. This is another episode of Reason with Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt. Hi Robert. Thank you. You said I'm always fresh. Yeah, I know, right? And then this filter just makes me look extra fresh, right? Extra fresh. All right. So tonight I have a very interesting topic, and I want your feedback as you come in. Tell me where you're connecting from. It's a warm evening in Kingston, Jamaica. That's where I'm connecting with you from. But I want to know where you're from and where you're watching this broadcast live on Jamaicans.com Facebook page. And if it's the first time that you're watching this broadcast, let me know. My name is Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt. Robert, you're at Saskatoon, Canada. Did I pronounce that right? I hope I pronounced it right. Saskatoon. Wagwan Leland. Alright, and tell me what you think about my if you like my filter. This is a filter because this glass, this is a mask of my face. As you can see, as I hover my hand over my face, it changes. Yeah, but I like it. I don't know. Hi, Andrew from the UK. All right, and Paul from Massachusetts. I pronounced that right? April from Orlando, Florida. All right, so tonight we are talking about Black History Month, Reggae Month. Are we as Jamaicans still celebrating February as Reggae Month, Black History Month? And when I say celebrate, do we recognize it? Are you seeing in the Jamaican communities where you reside, are you seeing a change in the usual activities, special events, recognition of it? Somebody just sent a wow. You guys was not expecting this mask, right? I want you guys to let me know, is it that Reggae Month, Black History Month is not really being celebrated as, by Jamaicans? And I want to hear your perspective before I share mine. I always have to hear what you have to say, and I love when you share your views with me. And of course, I'll share my views. Hi, Neil from Edmonton. And it's a cold night again. Oh my, the last time you connected with us, you told me that it was cold, and it's still cold. Oh gosh. I don't know how frustrating that is, but I can just imagine how frustrating it is. Pauline says, get rid of it. You are beautiful as you are. I don't know how to get rid of it. So here's the thing, Pauline. I wanted to just test this out. As a matter of fact, let me see. I don't want to end my live now. Let me see if I'm able to get rid of it. Apparently I can't. Apparently I can't. Okay, Pauline connecting from Canada. Tama from Newfoundland in Canada. So we have quite a bit of Canadians or Canadian residents in the building, and I appreciate it. Edie from Toronto, Canada. Big up yourself. Did I pronounce your name correctly? Alright, so as I tell you, we are talking about tonight's topic is, are we as Jamaicans recognizing Black History Month and Reggae Month? Just, Black History Month has been celebrated for more than, I don't know, long before my born, more than 3 decades. Hi, Peggy. But Reggae Month we started celebrating Reggae Month in 2010. So in 2010, that was the first year we actually recognized February as Reggae Month. And by all means, and it was quite applicable because it's within this same month some of the great Jamaican musicians were born, including Bob Marley on February 6th. You know, Dennis Brown. Leland from Peggy says, hi Ashley, first time watching from Miami Garden, Florida, enjoying the weather here. It's beautiful in Kingston, Jamaica. Andrew says, get rid of it by ending live and then reconnect. You guys really don't like my filter? Alright, if you don't like my filter, I'm going to get rid of it. If somebody else said get rid of it, I'm going to end the live and start again. I don't know how to change. Hold on, let me see something. Hold on. I can't get rid of it. I don't know. I would probably have to end the live. But do you want me to get rid of my filter? I can get rid of it. If you want to, just let me know in the comments. So, as I was saying, we are talking about Reggae Month and Black History Month tonight. And I want to hear your feedback. In Jamaica, I can tell you the ministry is doing quite a number of activities. Ministry of Culture, that is. They're doing quite a bit of activities, events to commemorate Reggae Month, Black History Month. You understand? So within the schools and in public spaces, you have different, you have conferences at the University of the West Indies happening. Reggae conference. You have performances that are being held every weekend. They have just some special performances by amateur reggae artists by the waterfront. There is also, and I just saw this recently, the Jamaica Music Conference. They will have a reggae award. Or the Reggae Award will as of next year 2020 will be part of the Reggae Month celebration. So usually it's held at another time of the year, but this time, but next year, this time it will be included in the schedule of events. Hi Leland, hi Pauline Jackson, thanks for tuning in. Angel says, hi Ashley, how are you? Watching from Hamilton, Canada. I see that you guys are very quiet today. Let me know if you're hearing me clearly, if you like my filter, or if you don't like my filter, let me know. I don't have any problem reconnecting with you guys. Doing it all over. Selvin from Toronto in the house. So let me know. So this is what the ministry is doing. And I know quite a few entities, including media houses, are doing a little bit of activity to commemorate the reggae's history this month. However, I don't, for some reason, just like Christmas, I'm not feeling it as much. I'm not seeing a rush and excitement about Reggae Month, and it's very concerning because I'm like, if Jamaica is the home of reggae, why is it that I don't know, why doesn't it feel like we are the home of reggae? You understand? I don't get the feeling that we're so excited about it. Angel says, I like it, go ahead and do your thing. Thank you Andrew. Yeah, I don't get the feeling that we are especially Jamaicans in the island, and that's why I want to hear from you guys about your realities wherever you are. Hi Heather. I don't get the feeling that we're so passionate about reggae music and reggae history. You understand? And I feel like the only time we get to the point where we're so passionate about it is when it's being recognized internationally. So a couple I know the video has frozen. Oh, it's back. Okay, so probably like a week ago, when we had the Grammy Awards in Los Angeles, and the best reggae album category was the talk of the town, because Shaggy and Sting at that time was one of the nominees. Itana, quite a number of protege and quite a number of reggae producers, right? Is it after the Grammys and Shaggy and Sting, congratulations, won? Nobody, there was just no rush about the fact that right in Reggae Month, you understand, we have Shaggy, who in addition to winning his award was representing the culture at an international awards, you understand, within that same, I don't know, for me, I feel like other places, other people, they place greater emphasis on their culture and our culture, Jamaican culture, than Jamaicans, especially Jamaicans in the island. Like, unless, I'm sorry to say this, but for some Jamaicans in the island, unless you wave money in front of them hand or in front of them faces, they really don't have that much interest in preserving the culture, and it's kind of disheartening for me. But I want to know, what is your perspective? Gregory says, we have it and don't know how to bring it to the next level. That's a good point. But I mean, why can't we have conversations about that? Why, Gregory, why can't we set up forums and invite even young people to chair these forums to talk about why them not so interested if celebrate reggae month, you understand, or even Black History Month. I was in the nail shop last week and I remember overhearing a conversation where this young lady was saying, I'm not going to turn on my TV for the entire month of February because I don't like the Black history that they are portraying. I don't want to watch what's on the TV. I don't want to know any more about slavery. I just don't want to know. And then I understand that argument. I really understand it. But then at the same time, watch out now. You don't turn on the TV, but you aren't tapping into the Black history that actually talk about blacks progressing. You understand? So it's like you take the decision not to associate yourself or embrace whatever representation of Black history that is being presented in the media, but at the same time you're still not involved. You don't involve yourself or your family in that celebration. Good or bad, I think Black history is Black history. Reggae Month, good or bad, I think reggae is reggae and it should be celebrated. Okay, Edie says, alright, so what I'm going to do, because I realize that you guys don't like the glasses, I'm going to end the live and come back right again with no filter. But ensure that you come back. Alright, I'll be right back.